Alright guys, so today I'm going to unbox a Bernard Ismay watch. Bernard Ismay is a company started in 1871, more than 150 years old company. And here's a watch. It's a limited edition watch distributed with QNet, celebrating 25th anniversary of QNet. So let me show you the watch. It's a cool timepiece, a Swiss made timepiece. Let me take it out. Firstly, let me remove this film. So here's the watch. And guys, let me tell you something about this watch. This is a limited edition watch where they are only exactly up to 1998 pieces, and the number of this watch is 227. So there's going to be only 1998 watches, and I got the watch the number as 227. And the good thing about this watch is that I can replace this stainless steel strap with these rubber straps, right? So if I'm going on a official trip, I'll be probably using the stainless steel strap. If I want to go for a casual trip, then I'll be replacing these rubber straps. Alright, so this is the limited edition watch. How does it look like? Cool. Thank you Bernard Ismay and thank you QNet.